15, the 16, I got rest on my rib jeans. Some stay clean, moon walking on your chest like pillar jeans.
Reaction.
What's real YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm now back in effect with another video for you guys. People, we touch about the Guyanese side. People, the viewers, y'all recommend this song. So I'm gonna give this song to y'all. Y'all feel me? You feel me? So drop some more song down below in the comment section. People, comment on this video to see your comment right here in the next video that I posted. Now, Kreed, you feel me? I don't know if you send them. I'm not sure if it's you the one who send your viewers or your supporters them out. But people been recommending this song. And the comment section I say, yo, them listen to the song and the feedback I say yes, and them I say Ray, and them I say but hey, you feel me? Y'all know what I mean? I listen to the comment section sometime, you know, see me I say, when I'm there, I want my active. Alright, now we're back posting every single day. So we're running over Guyana right now, you see me? So Guyanese people, want to go on, run out right now on the video right now. Go support the artist Kreed. First time to the song called 16, Kreed, official music video. This is his first video out. So go subscribe to my channel, them got like 300 subscribers right now, so go check him out. If the song bad, you see me I say, the viewers them and the subscribers them in the comment section say the song bad, so I get straight to the reaction right now. Like the video, so the video get recommends to more people, so Kreed song can go take off to the world. You see me I say, make we see what going right now. Kreed 16, reaction boss, I go lock in right now, people. Run tune!
I want every blood clot thing round that.
Alright, you know, you friend hear the voice, you know. Go on!
Every blood clot thing.
Yeah.
Huh? A morning, as day break, gonna kill them pussy.
What? As day break? Hey, a gunman sang this? A gunman sang this? As the day break, gonna kill them pussy. Walla.
Huh? A morning, as day break, gonna kill them pussy.
One thing.
What them say? I one lean a third lean and the other lean a dirt. Yo, Ellie. Yo, DC. Yo, Hamza.
Black in.
Them know one lane a third lane, any other lane a dirt.
One lane a which lane? Third lane, any other lane a dirt? Let me say third lane.
Yo, Hamza.
Yeah.
Them know one lane a third lane, any other lane a dirt.
Alright.
Yo, Zoal. I'm not 15, the 16, I got rest on my rib jeans. Some stay clean, moon walking on your chest like pillar jeans. Them know semi heartless.
I know 15 people, 16. Hold on, I'm cool see song.
Walking on your chest like Billy James.
Moonwalk.
No semi heartless.
Yeah.
And me living in the darkness. This the third in the rise of the ants nest. Bulletproof can't protect your damn chest. One on move, good boy pony fucking you. Hold on. He must start shut to the place, people. Me could lock in. Hold on. Protect your damn chest.
Yeah.
One on move, good boy pony fucking news. You must feel man a chat and abuse. I might got me abuse, but a body no suit. And if you do the crime, could I send a fucking youth. Them a talk but hardball, but the skin up like when the rain fall. Me na cave your ring guard, my head top chip and me na dark no SIM card. And no 15, the 16, I got rest on my rib jeans.
The 16 caliber people, who am I this? Them a talk about hardball. Hold on the people, who over Guyana? What going in? Give me the information, give me the scoop.
And no 15, the 16, I
the
got
rest on my rib jeans.
Some stay clean, moon walking on your chest
Like Billy Jeans. Hey.
No semi heartless. And me living in the darkness. This the third in the rise of the ants nest. Bulletproof can't protect your damn chest. Never dog. Watcha. When the pussy see me rise up the iron steel, them a run on truck and dive like chuck and feel. Yeah, cables me use dog strip up
When
steel.
you see that recipe iron steel, them a run on them a choke like chuck and fit. Voila!
Take your damn chest.
Voila!
Watcha. When the pussy see me rise up the iron steel, them a run on truck and dive like chuck and feel. Yeah, cables me.
Miss a high and feel. People, I first mention to do something. I catch it, I catch it. Voila, mute! What the bomb back about me do? Voila!
Protect your damn chest.
Voila!
Never dog.
Hey.
Watcha. When the pussy see me rise up the iron steel, them a run on truck and dive like chuck and feel. Yeah, cables me use.
Voila! I catch it, bomb back, lad.
Can't protect your damn chest.
Alright.
Watcha. When the pussy see me rise up the iron steel, them a run on truck and dive like chuck and feel. Yeah, cables me use dog strip of skin. Rise the AK, let the AK sing. The shot in me travel with the deep browning. Shot tear out your head and left your brain jumping. Don't make me have to run in a place. Me got some dogs who are live in the space. Simply me, we got some alien brain. We got some alien brain.
One movement.
We got some alien brain.
Not third lane on the G.
We got some alien brain.
I know 6.
From
I know
music up,
15.
me have to do the work. Me not care if you running a church.
Alright, intermission. We're halfway through the song. What are your thoughts on the song, people? For all the new viewers, them, you feel me? If you wanna recommend the song, what your thoughts on the song? You see me? I say drop it down in the comment section. If the song hot, we want some fire emoji in the comment section, people. I wanna one comment coming to play number 1. You know, on the 2 comment, can reverse to play number 2. 3 to 4 to 5 comments. If you don't know what to comment, people, I'm gonna say drop some fire emoji in the comment section right now. You see me? I say Kreed him name, people. Make see the rest of the song. Go on.
6 feet in the dirt. Blood stain I feel left on your shirt. So it can sit
Kawa,
up.
I know 15.
The 16 I got rest
I'm a Rick jeans.
So me stay clean. Moon walking on your chest like Billy Jeans. Them know say me heartless. And me living in the darkness. This the third and the rise of the ants nest. Bulletproof can't protect your damn chest.
Can't do it.
One on move, hot boy pony fucking news. You must feel man I chat and abuse. I might got me abuse, but a body no suit. Me never do the crime, cause that's enough fucking youth. Them a talk but talk ball, but the skin up like when the rain fall. Me not give your ring guard, my head top chip and me not talk no sim.
Dog, say me care if you have on the guard ring. You might say me care if you ring guard.
The rain fall. Me not give your ring guard, my head top chip and me not talk no sim card. And no 15.
You dog say my head top chip and him not talk no sim card, he not talk no sim, he not talk no phone chip.
The 16 I got rest for my ripped jeans. So me stay clean, moon walking on your chest like Billy Jeans. Them know say me heartless, and me living in the darkness. This the third and the rise up.
Man not dwelling in that darkness like ski mask. Fuck you talking about?
The ants nest, bulletproof can't protect your damn chest.
Yeah, one move. I want up down. I'm telling them pussy them not run up. When they run up a headshot. No badness man deal with that. A dark videos. A 1/3 lane. And them know that. Yo, stereo damage.
Body and bumper clip
My
man.
father. A dark with dark energy. A 1 code.
That is it, sir.
Them not ready for the movements, dog. Them boy, them lily. Small thing, dog.
I know 15. Easy yourself, my general. People. See dog channel and I want to go check out. I'm give dog a bad like on them video. You see me? I'm give him all a bad subscribe to. No? You see me? Yeah, man. Song tough, man. You see me? I say thanks for recommending the song to all those who recommended the song. You see me? I say big up Guyana one time. But we see what the comment section I say now, man. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Alright, comment your favorite part. You don't know why you say that Ray and Tay can't wait till this drop. The song drop. Anyway, we can see what I'm going. Bro, this different. Keep putting the work in. You see me? I say, alright, we could go through the comment section and see what I'm going. See what I go. One gov, one boss, blah, blah, blah. Guyana. Alright, then big up. One thing with this artist, Kreed, you're doing your thing. You see me? Alright. Wow, see what the comments really I say, bro, this song just got that buzz. You see me? Alright, we fuck with that. What am I say? This lit. Everybody I say song guard, you know. Love the song, baby. Keep doing this job. Sorry, I am man. Alright then, come see in my comment section too. Alright, I'm loving it. Hold on this. I next girl that again. Chat about love the song, baby. I'm loving it, baby. I two girl have in the comment section. Bad free, alright. Long now we are wait. Alright, then I'm wait on it. Bulletproof can't protect your damn chest. Bulletproof can't protect you. Yeah. But like the comment section, I see me be a positive feedback. That means I guess we say all who then in the dark comment. What I say? First time I hear this song, I thought it was Skeng. The dog sound nothing like Skeng. The dog have him one style. What the fuck you talking about? Skeng sound like him. You see me? Alright then. Burp. Alright then. That is it. Alright then. Yeah, man. So the viewers them fuck with the song. That means I'm wanting to go fuck with the song too. You see me? I say reaction boss, I sign out. I say big up yourself, Kreed. Big up to all the viewers that will recommend the song. I say reaction boss, go check it out. You see me? I say touch on the Guyanese scene. Yeah, man. My day of phone now. So guess what, man? Drop some more songs down in the comment section, man. Hey, comment some more songs here. You feel me? And I'll see you on another video. We're on the road to 100k subscribers, so if you are not subscribed to the channel, people, please smash that subscribe button in the face right now. If you already subscribed, just like the video and drop a comment in the comment section so the video get recommended to more people, so the channel get recommended to more people, so more people can subscribe, so we can hit that goal of 100,000 subscribers. Let's bring a plaque up. Let's put a plaque right here, so right here, so somewhere where we can accomplish this together. You see me? Reaction Boss, we're signing out of here. Peace.